We'll make it 15 minutes though. Before you have to get up and pay.
I need some freaking headphones. God!
Make on the title, make it warning very loud.
It's the car. I need to back the frick up. That is loud. Get it, dude. Jesus. Jesus Christ. Dude, that is loud.
Yeah, this is.
You might
You sure? I'm okay.
Ooh, that's loud. I didn't really get you though. If I get, I want them to look at the engine when it revs. Dude, I don't even be close with it to it when it's on. No longer freaking when it's revving. I don't like to start up.
You move the car like a really lot, and they get a good view.
I want to get like.
By the way, this is a racing car, not a muscle. It's a racing muscle car.
It's a drag car, drag racing. It's a drag race car. Do you see that little thing coming from the back right there? The little thing that keeps it from doing wheelies and flipping and scratching the back up. Here, I'm gonna go this side so I can get a shot at the front. We're gonna get a shot at the front.
Hey, and I got a question. How much do you think you're gonna get? How much you like?
I goddamn don't even. Yo, this thing is lit. You can get a close-up look at it now.
You guys
Look at that engine. I just don't get why there's like a piece of glass missing here. Circle of glass cut out on each sides. Look at that. Racing tires. Freaking huge and tiny. You should look at that. This is what I'm talking about. That keeps it from doing wheelies. Here.
What?
This thing that keeps it from scratching up the back.
That's
Going
a
too
wheelie
far.
bar. Yes.
It's a wheelie bar.
It is a parachute.
Parachute? Oh, because it goes too fast?
Yeah.
So it makes glass.
Yeah, no, don't touch.
Oh,
Thank you.
sorry. Man, it says test on the side. You're going to need a long track. This thing is probably faster than a Bugatti Chiron right here. Bro,
That's the fire.
this is insane. Put the bug on me. Dude, there's even a fire extinguisher.
Yep, because it can catch on
There's
fire.
even a fan, because, like, so just in case you get hot in hot days. I mean, you're going lightning
What? The
speed.
fire extinguisher?
No, that fan.
Yeah, the fan.
Just in case you get hot days. I don't get this. I don't get why these cars have giant tires. Oh, they have no grip. They have no tread on them. So apparently they can not
Race-
slide that good.
Race car, they have sticky bottoms so the cars don't
Sticky.
blast off
They have sick. No, like this. Like they don't drift all the time.
and they don't crash on it.
They have really sticky tires. And one thing about the car is there's fake headlights. Fake headlights. Are these fake headlights? True.
They have little tall things, street lights,
No, like on racing tracks they got.
tall
See where
lights.
they came live.
We should probably
Yeah,
get that.
that's why they carry race cars and trailers, semi-trailers. They got their own little trailer because they're not allowed on the street because they're too fast and they floor it and crash into something. This thing was quiet enough. I want to get like headphones, really good headphones, and like get a close-up look of the pipes, like the tailpipe and the engine. But my ears will blow up. Nice. If I get too close when it's starting.
Someone bring me their finger.
I'm not breaking. Ain't doing that.
Well, after I
Looney Weathers. I It's a Maverick.
How much time is on there?
What?
How much time is on the video?
So far 5 minutes. It's not that long.
Make sure it doesn't get past 15.
Get why there's no trunk. Is that? No, that's not the engine. That's just some extra supplies. Getting air.
Just
Look
make
at.
sure it doesn't get to 15. Because that means you have to pay a fee. And I don't think it's gonna be. Yeah, I don't think you want to pay a fee.
I'm watching the time right now.
Is that where they're leaking from?
There's even a roll cage just in case you slide and roll. Like you start flipping and stuff. That's what happens. There's the over there, the big truck. They got more trucks. I don't want to get the license plate. Is there even a freaking license? I don't think there's no license plate on it either. There's no way to put one on it. Yeah, there is actually. Yeah, you have back lights, but not real lights. I would take off. If I had this car, I would take off the front lights and put real lights. I mean, there's no reason for it to have. What? I feel like they're not. I feel like they're fireworks.
They're fireworks. Oh,
There's a freaking roll cage. The steering wheel comes off and everything. Gauge. I'm gonna get close up to that gauge. RPM. Some freaking camera. That's where the steering wheel goes and stuff. Right there. I don't know what. This looks dope. Everything on this car is dope. Oh, I love this car. Could make a Hot Wheels version of this. Yeah, that would. There's a freaking fire push button. It says fire push. There's some freaking shifting stuff. Just notice this. Why is there so many buttons? Let's go check. Okay, I'll see you later. Okay, comment down below. Hashtag drag. If you think that car was bad. Anyways, peace out.